Now, I welcome to all again in Atma University video lecture series. In our last discussion, we had discussed about the indeterminate form and in which we are discussing on 0 upon 0 indeterminate form, and also discussing in our last lecture how to evaluate the limit 0 upon 0 form using L'Hospital rule. Here same procedure will be applied on indeterminate form infinite by infinite, and we see that how it is work. Suppose we talk about the indeterminate form infinite by infinite. If f of x and g of x are two differentiable functions and limit x tends to a f of x upon g of x provided infinite by infinite form means limit x tends to a f of x tends to infinite and limit x tends to a g of x tends to infinite. Then for solving it, we apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital same as 0 upon 0 form. So that calculation of limit x tends to a f of x upon g of x gives the form infinite upon infinite is similar way to evaluate them by using L'Hospital rule. So see in the example how will work this method. So example number 1, evaluate limit x tends to infinity x minus 2x square upon 3x square plus 5x. Here remember, first we decide that the limit x tends to a means x replaced by infinite, numerator as well as the denominator both are becomes infinite. So here solution is here let L equal to limit x tends to infinity x minus 2x square upon 3x square plus 5x. Then substitute x tends to infinite. So infinite minus 2 infinite square is nothing but infinite. Here infinite minus infinite is also tends to infinite. So numerator becomes infinite. Similarly for denominator, that is also becomes infinite. So that is infinite upon infinite form in this limit provided. So we can use L'Hospital rule same for 0 upon 0 method. So first differentiate numerator with respect to x and denominator with respect to variable x. That derivation process is continue till the denominators becomes a finite. So it is equal to limit x tends to infinity, differentiation of numerator is nothing but 1 minus 4x and that is 6x plus 5. Then again verify at the point x tends to infinity, substitute x equal to infinity, we get 1 minus infinity is nothing but infinity and 6 into infinity plus 5 is again becomes infinite. So that is again generate the form infinite upon infinite. So we can take again derivative of numerator as well as denominator with respect to x. So that is equal to limit x tends to infinity, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of 4x is nothing but 4, and differentiation of 6x is 6, and differentiation of 5 is 0. So that will give us the constant number, and limit of constant is constant as per the rules of limit. So that is limit x tends to infinity minus 4 by 6. Limit of constant is again constant, so that is minus 4 by 6. Cancel the common factor from numerator and denominator, we get minus 2 by 3. So that is our limit, 2 by 3. So in this case, we can learn how to evaluate the limit of the given function where it gives infinite upon infinite form. So that is the way we evaluate the limit infinite upon infinite form. We next talk about the very new indeterminate form is called 0 cross infinity form. 0 cross infinity form. The rules is like this. Let if f of x and g of x are two differentiable functions, are two differentiable functions, are two differentiable functions, and limit x tends to a, f of x cross g of x, f of x cross g of x, provided 0 cross infinite form, 0 cross infinite form, then that can be rewritten as f of x into g of x, which is equal to either f of x upon 1 upon g of x, or which is also equal g of x as it is and 1 upon f of x. Then so that is the method for writing the form of in 0 cross infinite, convert into the form of 0 upon 0 or infinite upon infinite. Here observe that limit is provided 0 cross infinite. It means that at the point x equal to a follows f of x equal to 0, and at that point x equal to a follows g of x tends to infinite. So that provided the form 0 cross infinite. So here f of x upon 1 upon g of x means f of x equal to 0, g of x equal to infinite, so 1 upon infinite is 0. So that is the form of 0 upon 0. If any limit is converted into the form of 0 upon 0, we can able to apply the L'Hospital rule. And here observe that g of x tends to infinity, so numerator is infinite. What about denominator? F of x will be 0, so 1 upon 0, that is infinite. So that is infinite upon infinite form. So we learn from this substitution, if we change the form of f of x into g of x into f of x upon 1 upon g of x, or g of x upon 1 upon f of x. So that can be converted into either 0 upon 0 form or infinite upon infinite form. Then we apply L'Hospital rule. So that is the logic behind the indeterminate form 0 cross infinite. So we can try to make 0 by 0 form or infinite by infinite form. So that regarded example is like this. Evaluate limit x tends to 1 by 2 x square minus 1 by 4 into 10 pi x. So first we check by substituting the limit x tends to 1 by 2 in this given function, and observe that substitution is given the result as of the form 0 cross infinite. After that we convert into the either 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite form, and hence we evaluate it. That is the method. So now what is the solution? Solution is here that limit give name L equal to limit x tends to 1 by 2 x square minus 1 by 4 into 10 pi x. Here substitute x equal to 1 by 2, that bracket give us 0. That bracket give us 0. Cross multiply with 10 pi x, x equal to 1 by 2, 10 pi by 2, and 10 pi by 2 is infinite. We are familiar with this trigonometric values. 10 pi by 2 is infinite. So that form is 0 cross infinite. So that 0 cross infinite form, there are two ways. Either it is converted into the form of 0 by 0 or infinite by infinite. These all are in our hand. So we can try to convert the 0 cross infinite form into 0 by 0 form. So here that can be rewritten as limit x tends to 1 by 2 x square minus 1 by 4 as it is, and 10 pi x becomes a denominator, and that becomes cot pi x. Here 10 pi x can be rewritten as 1 upon cot pi x. So that is 10 pi x equal to 1 upon cot pi x. And observe that after substituting the limit x tends to 1 by 2 in the given expression, we get 0 by 0 form. Here 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 is 0. Here 10 pi by 2 is infinite. So here cot pi by 2 is 0. So that is 0 upon 0 form. So take a differentiation with respect to x, numerator as well as denominator. So differentiation of numerator is 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 1 by 4 is 0. Cot pi x is nothing but minus cosec square pi x into pi. Cosec square pi x into pi. Again substituting the limit and check the form is 0 upon 0 or infinite upon infinite or any other. So we are putting x tends to 1 by 2, especially in the denominator we get cosec square pi by 2. Here observe that what is sin pi by 2? Sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Similar way, the cosec pi by 2 is 1. Why? Cosec equal to 1 upon sin. So here we get value 1, that is finite value, therefore denominator is not equal to either 0 or infinite. Therefore we are directly substitute the limit in the given expression. So directly we are substitute x equal to 1 by 2 in this fraction. So 2 into 1 by 2. Here that is minus cosec square pi by 2, x equal to 1 by 2. Cross pi. Hence we get 2 will be cancel out, so that is minus 1 upon cosec square pi by 2 is 1, 1 into pi is pi. So minus 1 upon pi is the limit of given function. So then that is the way to evaluate the indeterminate form 0 cross infinite. I hope you are understand well how to evaluate the 0 cross infinite form limit.